They don't move. Love. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a content creator. Born in Nigeria, she's a Niger babe, but living in Birmingham, Alabama. Today we are doing another luxury haul of some of my new favorite items that I've gotten. So if you are new to this channel, think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my community. And if you are one of my regular lovies, welcome back. Grab a cup of coffee, grab your wallet. Let's go shopping together. Today we have some amazing goodies, and as always, I'm going to start off with the heavy hitters. Not the heavy hitters, but I'm going to start off with sunglasses. I am on a sunglass kick. Both these drawers right here are full of sunglasses, and I just can't get enough of it. There's something about a great pair of sunglasses that just elevate your outfit. So let's get into the first pair. I am obsessed with them. I've worn them already, and I went back and bought another color because our motto over here is if you like it, buy it in another color. If it's cute, buy it in another color. If it looks good and feels good, what? All right. Let's get into the first item. The first pair is from one of my favorite accessory brands, which is Loewe, the Spanish brand. They make the most beautiful items. I have their puzzle bag. I have a couple of their sunglasses. When I saw this one, I knew I had to grab it. It was the only one at the store, and I was the last one to grab it. Now it comes in a bunch of different colors, but when I first got it, it only came in this gorgeous white. These sunnies are just so beautiful. I just love the little details that Loewe puts inside of their, pretty much all their products. There's so many little details. Look at this. This is also that glass. It has the Loewe emblem right here on the side. The motif is just so cute, so simple. And then when you open it, the inside, okay, girl, try it on. You look good. You look so gorgeous. Look at that. Look how beautiful. This just looks so great on you. And on me, gag. Gagiana. Look at that. This is so beautiful. I love the white. It's winter white, but then it's also summer white. It's gorgeous with this gold. It's simple, but over the top. Okay, she's that girl that's an introvert, but when she shows up, she's gonna pack a punch. So she's super subtle, but she can turn up if she needs to. And these turn up really hard. I absolutely love all the little details that went into the sunglasses. This is called the Loewe Wave Mask Sunglasses. I'm gonna put the details to the side of like what it fits, the temple size, the weight of it, and all the details, just in case you're feeling frisky and you want to order it. Amazon also has a pair that looks like this. I will link the Amazon and the Loewe together if you want to like check it out. That is the first pair of sunglasses that I bought. Let's go on to the next one. Now these are the sunnies that I loved so much. I bought it twice because if you like it, buy it another color. Did I say that or did I say that? These are the Versace, I'm going to read it off, VE4391. Let's go ahead and try them on, y'all. They, ooh. And one thing that I love about these sunglasses is they sit on your cheeks, but not so much that you can't talk and they're moving. They don't move. These sunnies, they don't move. Look how gorgeous they are. It comes in different colors, so I bought this one first. Now, the mirror may look black, but it's actually a light gray. When I take it off, you'll see in a minute. And then you have dark gray on the handles. It's super lightweight. It's not so lightweight that if you throw it in the air, the birds catch it and take it off. It's substantial, but not super, super heavy. So come close and try this on. There you go. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing on you. I feel like these sunnies are going to be perfect to transition you from fall to winter. It comes off black when you're looking at it, but again, it is dark gray. And it's a little bit transparent. As you can see through it into my shirt. Again, absolutely gorgeous. The details are just stunning on these sunglasses. So I bought it in this first, And then I saw that they had an orange pair, and I said, okay, I like it so much. I like the way it fits my face. I like the cost, the price. I'm going to buy it again. So let's look at the orange pair. These are the orange pair of those same Versace sunglasses. I have not worn these yet. I just got them. I think this color came out after that dark color. But again, same sort of gorgeous Versace little emblem. The motif on the handles of the sunglasses. It is black with the orange tint. And this one you can see the orange tint so well. I wanted this for summer. Like, oh my God. Like the orange with the skin, with the pink. A moment of silence, please. Ah. Y'all. Turn up, turn up. These sunglasses are scrumdiddlyumptious. A purr. Like, these are gorgeous. I love a great pair of sunnies that just elevate an outfit as soon as you put them on. These are going to elevate me to the gods. And God, I'm ready. I'm ready to come sit at the throne with your son, with my shades on. I'm going to buy you a pair too. Stop. Okay, let me get it together. Don't be super silly. But I love these sunnies. They fit amazing. They do sit on your cheeks, but not so heavy that you can't talk if you have high cheekbones. They're super flexible. I think I have a large head, and it just fits great. And again, these are men's sunnies, but don't sleep on the men's sunglasses. Like, they be eaten. Okay, especially if you have a wide nose and a wider face, men's sunnies will look amazing on you. So let's look at the next item, and it is a pair of shoes. Don't click away because we're going to get to the bag last. You know we got to save a bag for last. So let's get to the next pair, which are a pair of Bottega Veneta shoes that I've wanted for a minute. I am also one of those girls, like, come close. Come close. I'm going to buy it on sale. I'm going to wait till it's off season and buy it. I'm going to wait till all the girls, the it girls have bought it and tromped around town in it. And then I'm going to get it 50, 60, 70% off. Raise your hand if you're with me. Go ahead and type, I'm a sale girl too, in the comments if that's you. But me, oh, I'm going to wait. So I waited for these. I wanted them when they first came out. I was not about to pay that price. Waited and then finally got them at an end of summer sale at Saks Fifth. So let's get into the boots. I would do an unboxing for y'all, but I don't think people like unboxings anymore. When I do it, they're like, girl, get to the stuff. Stop wasting my time. So I'm not going to waste your time with an unboxing, but these are the shoes. I haven't worn them yet because I'm waiting. I bought them beginning of summer. I'm waiting for winter and fall to pop them out. These are the Bottega Veneta Tire Boots. You guys remember, I'm going to pop some pictures to the side of how the girls ate this shoe up when it first came out. One of the first people that I saw it on was Janae Naylor, and I said, oh my God, I want these shoes so bad, but my bank account would not allow it. I mean, it would allow it, but I would have been eating ramen noodles for a month. So these are the tire boots. I got them in a size 37, which is a size 7. That's the size that I wear. They fit true to size. Hold on, let me make sure. Let me make sure this is a size 37. Go back. I bought these in a size 37.5 because they fit a little bit smaller to me. And then I wanted to be able to wear socks with it if I chose to wear socks. So I am usually a size 37, which is a 7 US women's. This is a 37.5, which is a 7.5. So if you do find these boots, and right now the boots are on sale on Saks, I'll link it down below. If you do find it, maybe size up if you're buying it online. Size up half a size or a full size if you have like wider, you know, a thick foot. She's a thick girl, her foot. So yeah, my foot is thick. It's short, but it's thick. Okay. So size up a little bit. I love that these boots have stretch on the side for my girls with wide ankles, or, I mean, these aren't calf boots, but if you got some thick ankles, the boots are great because they stretch a little bit. Again, let me bring it a little bit closer. This is not the Bottega like parakeet grass green. This is more a lighter green than that, but I actually like this color green more than I like that vibrant green. Again, it's leather. You have the black leather. You have a little bit of spandex right here to help it stretch. And then a little bit of a pop of color at the bottom. There is a heel. Say it with me, church. Where there's a heel, there's a sister that's willing to buy it. And I'm that sister. I love heels because I'm 4'11", 5 feet to you. So any boot that has like a little tiny heel that's going to give me like a little, ooh, help me sit up a little bit, I'm a buy. So these have a little heel to them and I absolutely love it. Again, you have the rubber sole, leather, and then a little bit of stretch if you have thick ankles. So I highly recommend these boots. If you want to buy this one, I'll link it down below. But if not, there are so many alternatives to this boot. I actually have an alternative to this boot. So before I bought this one, I bought like one, I think I got it from Naked. No, I got it from Boohoo. So I bought an alternative to this from Boohoo. When it was up and popping and everybody had it, I was like, Fumi, just go buy the alternative. And I did. I absolutely loved it. I wore it so much and then I forgot about it. And then I saw the Bottega Venetas on sale. I tried them on. They felt amazing. The heel was a little bit taller than the replicas. And so I was like, yeah, we're going to get these. So I'll link these down below. Do y'all, are we still into this boot or no? Let me know. Comment down below. And now let's get ready for the piece de resistance, the bag. I'm a bag girl. I'm a bag. Did I tell you I love a good bag? Give me money, I'm buying a bag. I might not have money to put in it, but it's going to be on my shoulder. It's going to be on my arm. It's going to be, okay, fine. Let's get to the bag. Louis Vuitton. I have so many of their bags. I absolutely love their bags. I am a monogram girl. I don't care. I don't care. Fight your mom. Fight your sister. I don't care. I'm gonna buy it. I'm going to buy a monogram. This is the mini version of the Noe, which was created in 1932. This is the mini Noe. I absolutely loved this bag. I am not a big like drawstring bag girl, and I've seen the Noe before. It just was too big. When I saw this one, I absolutely loved it. Now I haven't styled it yet, but I will put photos of other people who've styled this bag or worn this bag. But this tiny little girl, this little infant baby child girl was so cute sitting on that shelf at Loewe inside of Saks. She said, Mommy, Mother, take me home. And I said, girl, you had me at Mother. And so I ended up getting her. I'll put a video of me going to Saks to look at her. If I have the video, if not, we're not going to put it there. Just disregard what I said. But how cute. Let's get into the details of this bag and then what fits into it. As you can tell, there is a drawstring closure that opens and the bag opens up to its full size. It is coated canvas and then cowhide trimming all around. It has gold hardware. And then the bottom, it does not have feet. The bottom is also the coated canvas. It does come with adjustable straps. If you want to wear it as a crossbody, I will probably, I don't want to say I'll never wear it as a crossbody, but it's highly likely that I won't wear it as a crossbody. I just don't do crossbodies like that. The inside is that microfiber lining, which you will see in a lot of Louis Vuitton bags. Let's see if we can get this to focus. I don't think it's gonna focus. It's too dark. It's a deep dark dungeon, but as you can tell, it's this brown microfiber on the inside. This is sort of easy to clean, but it's not as easy to clean as if it was leather on the inside or even faux leather on the inside. I love this bag. Like, I'm not gonna lie. It is absolutely just gorgeous. It's tiny. It's not that expensive. It fits enough in it for you to be able to wear it to different places and not have to like bring an extra bag or bring a tote bag with you. This is the strap it comes with. It is adjustable, which I love. So if you're a bit taller, you can adjust it to hit you exactly where you want it to hit you. We're going to put it on, and I'm going to stand up and show you where it hits without me actually adjusting the strap. Let me stand up. So this is where it hits me. Ooh, I can't back up anymore because my chair. This is where it hits me. Again, I am not that tall. I am 5 feet, so it hits me like right here at the top of my torso, sort of upper hip area. But again, it is adjustable, so if you're taller, you can make it longer. If you're shorter, you can make it shorter. But yeah, how cute is it? It is drawstring, so one thing that I do with my drawstring bags is I will get a bag that closes or a pouch and stick all of my things in there. So just in case it turns over, my items don't fall all out of my bag. Or I will use the dust bag to store my items inside and then put those inside of the bag. So let's talk about what fits inside the miniature Noe. Now the bag isn't super wide, but it is deep. If you're thinking about putting in your cell phone, it's not going to go. This is the 13 Pro Max, I think. Yeah, I think 13, it's either 13 or 14 Pro Max. I'm not sure. It's a cell phone. It will not fit inside of the bag because it can't fit sideways, and it definitely, like, unless you don't mind it sort of sticking out, you know, if you don't mind it sticking out like this, then that's fine. I don't like that. I would never like that. So the cell phone will not fit in there unless like it's a small cell phone or something that's not as tall as an iPhone. But let's talk about the other things that will fit inside this bag. And I would advise you to get a bag that closes, that you can stick inside of it, a bag that zips, or use the dust bag, because you can tell from the top all the things that I have inside of here. And I'm one of those girls that things will fall out of my bag so quick and I won't notice. So I need it. Amazon sells them. You can find one that will fit inside any mini bag or even a larger bag or even a tote. So my portable fan, we live in Alabama. It's 1,001 degrees out here. So a portable fan everywhere I go goes with me. It's on Amazon. You know, it's a little hot. So I always carry around like a brush so I can touch my makeup off. Mascara fits in there. Lip gloss will fit in there. Compact will fit in there. Mirror, and this is a large mirror, will fit in there. And then I just put eye cream just to show you like the sizes of the items that it fits inside of it. So everything that I talked about fits comfortably inside of here, and there is still space. I mean, I could have put maybe one more or two more things in here. Of course, a Louis Vuitton card holder will fit in here, or a little mini wallet will fit in here. So this is everything that will fit inside the miniature Noe bag. Let me know how you like this bag. Is this a yes or no? Is this something you wouldn't do? Do you like the mini better than the classic larger size of the Noe? And if you could steal one of, not steal, if you could borrow one of these items, what would it be? Comment down below. A girl wants to know. Also, let me know what other items you want to see me unbox. If you want a handbag collection video, let me know. I will do that as well. But comment and let's chat about what videos you want to see from me. I hope that you enjoyed this time on my corner of the internet. I loved unboxing these items with you. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you enjoyed this video, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my channel. And again, if you are one of my regular lovies, girl, it was good to see you. We'll chat soon. Love you, mean it.